Ano yung mas bagay sa broker na naging developer?
Ganito boss, napachallenge ako sa'yo. Are you ready for a challenge?
Treasure ko nga ito, hindi lang.
I-treasure mo talaga yung boss kasi rare na yun. Okay, another watch, another day. Sir Francis is here. Kamusta brother? How are you? How is everything? Please have a seat ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't get your name, sorry.
Melka.
Ma'am Melka, nice meeting you po. So you're here to buy your first Rolex ba? First Rolex mo to brother?
Gift ko sa kanya.
Ay, ikaw mag-gift?
Yeah.
Nakatapos na ng Mother's Day pero kayo mag-gift ma'am. Advance.
Anniversary and birthday.
This is the Daytona two-tone. This is the reference 16523. This is a 40mm naman. If I'm not mistaken, this is also what we call the Zenith. Alam niyo po ba yung Zenith? No. When they released this unit, they didn't have an in-house movement ni Rolex. So they used a caliber from El Primero ni Zenith. And then they labeled yung mga rotors nila na Rolex. The heart of this watch is actually made by Zenith. Which is, right now, it's a very collectible item. Kasi after nito, lahat in-house Rolex na yung mga movement. Ang difference lang ng Zenith movement tsaka hindi Zenith movement, when you come and look at it, yung sub-dial na seconds is nandun sa 9 o'clock. Wherein, in-house movement na ni Rolex na mga Daytonas is yung second hands niya is nasa 6 o'clock. So parang nag-iba lang tong dalawang to. Kaya one look pa lang, malalaman na ng mga watch collector if it's a Zenith movement or hindi.
Ano yung mas bagay sa broker na naging developer?
Yun!
Dalawa.
Ano bang business niyo? If you don't mind.
Sa ano po kami? Sa Facebook, ako yung kuya broker na nagbibigay ng mga real estate tips. Pero ang business talaga po namin is real estate brokerage. Bebenta kami ng mga townhouse sa Quezon.
Gano'n nakatagal?
Since 2009.
Pero may sarili na rin kami townhouse na dali.
So, are you an architect by profession or just nasa sales ka talaga?
Nasa sales.
So, you hired your own architects and engineers. And do you have your in-house na construction development company or you source out to other contractors?
Meron na rin kami sariling construction. So, 3-in-1.
Yan ang scale. Well, brokerage naman. Hindi ko masasabing just a brokerage or broker eh. Kasi lahat naman ng broker, boss, alam ko mga ano yan eh. Mayayamanin yan eh.
Paldo ba yun?
Oo, boss. Pero you know, the heart of everything that we do is sales talaga. Pero tama yan, boss. I think it's about time that you have something on your own na ganito.
First namin, nag-start kami sa real estate. Binibenta namin is Ayala Land in BGC. So, there was a client na sinasabi niya, bakit ako bibili nito? Ang mahal-mahal nito. And I have to wait for 4 years. Meron namang ready for occupancy na mas mura pa. Ang sabi ko, ma'am, parang watch lang yan eh. May matibay na watch, then naka-Rolex na. So, iba yung naka-Rolex. So, binili niya yung Serendra. Na 4 years siya nag-antay.
Ready?
Yes.
Adjust ko lang siya ng
First time.
konti. Ayan, boss. Tingin ko sakto na yan.
Ay, grabe.
First time, Daytona agad.
Ganda.
First ever watch, Daytona agad. What do you think? Gwapo talaga.
Mas maniniwala na talaga na bibili sa amin.
Pero ano yung mga houses na binibenta nyo? You have townhouses na, di ba?
Townhouse. More on townhouse.
Wala naman kayo mga condominium. Small, like, mid-rise apartments, wala rin.
More on townhouses. Tsaka house and lot.
Ano yung the best, the most expensive house you've ever sold? Na kayo yung nag-develop?
Yung JP Rizal, no? More likely. 69.
This is a house and lot na?
Townhouse.
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 Yeah.
How big is the lot?
It's only, I think, 62, 64.
And then the floor area of that 6, mga nasa, we're talking about 180 to 200.
Mga 175.
175, more or less. Parking mix, ano na.
2 further.
Ba? JP Rizal, malapit sa Makati?
Dito lang sa may, sa may Kupa.
Ah, JP Rizal Cubao? Kala ko JP Rizal Makati mo.
Just 1 block away from sa Tipunalan.
Congratulations on your business, brother. More power to you. And I think that would add value to your, you know, sa dating mo, boss. Iba talagang ma-add yan sa'yo. Especially that you're dealing with, you know, people that are also investing.
How much is the last price?
Sorry. I would do 948. Hindi, grabe. Huwag naman 948,000 yan. I would do 900,000. Okay na yun, boss.
Treasure ko nga ito. Hindi lang.
I-treasure mo talaga yung boss kasi rare na yan. Zenith movement yan. What do you think?
Saan mo pa, sir?
Kano mababawas naman? Ikaw pala magre-regalo mo, no? Dapat sa'yo ko nakikipag-vlogger.
920, tapos 900.
900 daw. Pero, nasa sales tayo pa. Huwag naman masyadong.
Ay, tama.
920.
Win-win on both.
Ganito, boss. Napachallenge ako sa'yo. Are you ready for a challenge?
Sa Rolex, wala kang alam.
Tungkol dyan. And lahat naman ng i-question ko sa'yo, nasabi ko na kayo sa inyo kanina. I just didn't know if you were paying attention to me nung sinasabi ko. 920 or 925. Yun na lang. Pag tama sagot mo, 920 mo kukuha. Pag mali sagot mo, 925 mo kukuha.
Oh, saya, Papa, kung nag-pay attention ka. Sige.
Hindi kasi na, ano, talaga.
Na-overwhelm ka? Madali na naman yung mga question ko, boss eh. Huwag mo muna tignan, boss, yung ano, yung taga. Isang tanong lang, what year to?
1994.
Sige, boss, sabi. Pag attention naman si boss, grabe naman.
Kali ang iniisip ko, ilang links meron ako. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam.
Hindi. Gusto yung madali lang eh. O sige, boss, 920, done din ulit. Maraming
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, thank you so much.